When you've spent nearly 2 decades tracking electron flow in a nuclear power plant, you stop looking at equipment as just a white box on the wall and start looking at it as a collection of potential failure points. My job for 17 years in the HVAC industry was to find those points before they find your wallet. Today, we are putting two heavyweights in the ductless world against each other: the Hitachi airHome 600 series and the Klimaire KMIR multi-zone series. Both are in the premium category, but they are built for two very different types of homeowners. If you live near the coast or in a high humidity environment, the coil is the first thing that's going to rot. Both of these units use coated coils for corrosion resistance, but when you look at the sound ratings, you see the engineering gap. The Hitachi is whispering at 49 decibels outside, while the Klimaire is significantly louder at 60 decibels. In the field, that's the difference between hearing a gentle hum and hearing a machine running under your window. From an electrical standpoint, both of these units are high efficiency machines hitting around 23 SEER2. Both of these use variable speed inverter compressors, which is the gold standard. They sip power and only use what they need to maintain the temperature, which is why they carry those high efficiency ratings. The Hitachi edges it out on tech features though, including an occupancy sensor that knows when you've left the room so it can throttle down further. Now, let's talk about the real world hit to your bank account. For a single zone Hitachi airHome 600 outdoor condenser, you're looking at an average equipment price of around $1,600. Once you factor in a professional installation, you're likely staring at a total invoice between $4,800 and $6,000. Klimaire is the budget-friendly premium choice here. You can often source a multi-zone KMIR condenser for about $1,300, and a full pro install might land in the $3,500 to $4,500 range. You're saving a significant chunk of change up front with the Klimaire, but you have to ask yourself what that savings costs you in the long run. Before we crown a winner, here is a quick piece of field-tested advice. Don't neglect your filters. These high-efficiency units move a lot of air, and a clogged filter doesn't just reduce efficiency. It starves the evaporator and can lead to a premature compressor failure. Clean them once a month, no excuses. The warranty battle is usually where the truth comes out. Klimaire offers a standard 5 years on parts and 7 years on the compressor. That's okay, but Hitachi is coming to the table with a heavy-duty 10-year parts warranty and a massive 12-year compressor warranty. That is a huge statement of confidence in their manufacturing. When you are paying for premium equipment, you aren't just paying for the cooling. You're paying for the peace of mind that you won't be writing another check for a compressor in year 8. So here's the verdict. If you are strictly looking at the initial cost and you need to cool multiple rooms on a tight budget, Klimaire is a respectable choice. But if you want the unit that is going to be quieter, better built, and backed by a significantly longer warranty, the Hitachi airHome 600 series is the definitive winner. The lower 49 decibel sound level and the 12-year compressor protection make it the smarter long-term investment for your home's bottom line. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new, tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.